Instagram is one of the most used social media platforms across the world with over millions of daily active users, but it still doesn't have the feature to add multiple links to your Instagram account. For example, for a person like me, I have my profile on LinkedIn. I also have a YouTube channel. So if I wish to put both the links in my Instagram bio, I'm not able to do that. So in today's video, I will be introducing you to a tool which will allow you to create just one link but connect all your social media profiles, your websites to that particular link. So if a person clicks on that link, he will get the access to all your profiles and then he can go engage with them as well. So hello everyone, my name is Yash. So let's get started. So I guess many of y'all know about this tool, but for those people who don't know, I will give you a complete tutorial on how you can create your own link and also put it in your Instagram bio. So I have provided the link in the description. You can just go click it. You can also do it on your laptop or your mobile, but right now I'll be using my laptop. So once you click on that link, this will be the page which will appear in front of you all. So you can just get started for free, but I already have my account, so I'll just log in. Once you log in, this is the page which will appear in front of you all. So here you have an option to add a new link. So I'll be adding 4 different accounts, which will be my Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, and Twitter as well. So I'll just click on add a new link. And here you'll have an option to add title and add a URL. So to add the title, firstly, I'll be adding my YouTube channel. So I'll just type YouTube channel and then I'll go to my YouTube. I'll just copy the entire link and I'll paste it here. So once you do that, you can see that the YouTube channel tab it will appear here. So this is the final page. Once a person clicks, this will be visible to them. So once that happens, I'll add another link. I'll add my Twitter account. So I'll type in Twitter and I'll go to my Twitter. I'll just copy my link and I'll go paste it here. So I'll just speed up the process. So I have added all the 4 links now. I have also added Instagram because you can use this link anywhere outside of Instagram also. Like if you want if you have your profile somewhere else, you can put this link on your LinkedIn profile so that they can come to your Instagram. So this is the way this link works. So now I have it all set here. So you can see that this is the way it is all going to be visible once a person clicks on that link. So if I wish to rearrange it, I can just click on these 3 dots and I can rearrange them. So right now I want my YouTube channel to be on my top priority. So I can just pull it and I can just keep it here. I want LinkedIn to be the second, Instagram, and then Twitter. Once this is over, to make it more attractive, you can just go on appearance tab here. Once you click on that, if you wish to pay around 500 rupees per month, you can go buy the pro. If you don't, you have many free templates here. So first I'll upload a display pic here. So I'll just click on my device. And after that, I'll just select the image. Once I do that, I'll just click upload. And this particular image will be uploaded and it will be shown here on the top. As you can see, it is loading and it is shown. And after this, I wish to just make it more attractive, so I can use one of the free templates. So I'll be using this one. So once I click on that, the template is now updated and this is the way it is going to be visible. So if a person clicks on YouTube channel, he'll be redirected to my YouTube channel. If he clicks on LinkedIn, he'll go to my LinkedIn profile. And you have many options, like you can change the background, you can change the buttons, how the design of the buttons, you can change the fonts as well. So there are so many features available, but they are for pro. Like if you pay the 500 rupees, it is actually $6 per month. So if you pay that, it is all going to work. You can go to the pro tab and buy it from here. And there are many benefits what you can have in pro. Like as you can see here, there are so many things available. So if you really wish all your users to give them a better user experience, you can always do that. So that's all for today's video, guys. This was a quick tutorial what I wanted to share it with you all. So if you have liked the video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon. I'll be bringing out more such videos every Monday and Thursday from now. Thank you.